So my chairs came. This is my dining room chairs. So we're gonna open these because I want to see what they look like. So let me grab a scissors, and I needed to upgrade my chairs since, you know, the kittens scratched them all up. But even before that, I actually did need to do like revamp. And my goal was to kind of revamp the rooms by, you know, go room by room. And so since I couldn't revamp them last year with the fire situation, I ended up just doing it. I got a good deal. Walmart was having their, let's see. Yeah. So we're going to, gonna do this. Yep. And we're going to see. So I got a set of 4, of course, the dining room chairs. And I'm gonna kind of try to tilt you guys so you guys can get a look at the chairs. What's so good about them is they kind of look like my, yeah, they kind of look like my couches in a way, like the tufted, and I wanted upholstery fabric chairs, so I'm going to take one out. I had to take a picture to kind of just, you know, gotta send to the husband so he gets to see our couch. Not our couch, our chairs. These are gonna be in my Walmart storefront, so if you're looking for like new home decor, this is where. Oh, 1 second. They are fancy, honey. So you know the animals gonna be. The animals cannot be a part of it. It came so fast because Walmart said it was going to be here next week. And then this morning, I got a notification saying your thing is going to be outside. And so the FedEx man I heard something. And I was like, oh, the FedEx guy is here. So, yeah, it's cute. It's worth it.
All right, well, you know where my tools are, so go and get some legs put on before I get home.
I don't need you to put nothing on because it came with its own thing in it. So.
I'll put them together later on if you don't want to put with it.
I'm putting one together so that I could do my vlog because I'm actually vlogging right now.
All right,
to show it.
And I'll come home and fix it when you fuck it up.
Ain't nobody fucking up nothing.
Yep, fucking it up.
So, you full of shit. You a hater. That's all I heard was, I'm a hater. Hater, hater, hater.
Nope.
And so,
fix your boo-boos.
whatever. Alright. Well,
Yeah, they do look nice though. I like them.
yeah, they were. It's worth it. It was worth the little $300.
Okay.
And the fabric is good. Like it feels like sturdy.
Yeah, you got a busy day?
No, not really. Just shit that I got to do that visit.
My shit got more complicated. I got a bunch of points that I'm supposed to put elevations on so they can get this parking lot at the right elevation.
Uh-huh.
But none of the points that I need elevations on have elevations. So Kim told me how to do it on the fly, just like out in the open.
Yeah.
As I go. And it's just, I mean, I can do it. I understand how to do it now, but it's based off one certain distance. And we'll just call it 11 feet. So if I'm out 20 feet, then I don't know what the percentage of the slope is to do the math to figure out the proper elevation. It's just...
It sounds complicated.
It is a little complicated. It's just a bunch of math that I don't necessarily understand right off. But I mean, as long as they explain it, I'll get it. But
right.
But some spots are a little tricky, so I need them to give me a fucking number so I can work off of.
Mm-hmm.
But either way, that's what I'm dealing with. You don't have a busy day?
No, I got 2 meetings. One here and at 11 o'clock, and then yeah.
All right.
Yep. But.
Okay. Well, have a good day. I love you, and I will call you, or I'll text you later, or I'll call you on the way home.
Okay, babe.
Okay.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ooh, look at me putting the chairs together. I think I know what I'm doing. But no, I do not know what I'm doing because that leg don't look like that leg is for there. This leg looks like this leg. Yep. So these are I believe these are the front legs. Yeah, if you put them in here. Yep, these fit more. So this is the front. And these are the back. I believe C is the back and B is the front legs because it kind of makes more sense. I think. Yeah. So you kind of have to screw it in on there, but yeah. So. This goes here. Huh. Yep, they look different. That's bingo. We figured it out. Yep. Needs to go in. There we go. So I was right. So these are the bottom. These are the back. I assume like this. And then these are the major ones. So that, yeah, when you close it, it just closed completely like that. And yeah, so yeah, like that. Kind of nice. Let's do something. Of course, the legs fell out, but yeah. Yep. I got a meeting, so I gotta go do that. And then when I'm done, I'll come back and we'll put up this first chair. And then we'll get the other one together. I love it. I do. Did I show the back? I think so. Let me just turn it around. So this is how it looks from the back of the chair. Yep. It has like the tufted, yeah. It's kind of cute. Okay. All right. Let me go meeting, charge battery, and I'll holler at y'all guys in a little bit. I did not go crazy for Amazon Prime Day when it occurred, but I did get some new knife sets because I really needed some knives and I wanted them white to go with my air fryer and the other thing that I have in my kitchen. Plus, when we got back our things from the storage with the fire, a lot of our things did not come back in there. I do not know how they lose pieces of the knife set. I also bought a linen sheet set. I'll leave that link down. These are very nice and comfortable. I think I'm going to be getting another set of these linen sheet sets. This is a queen size. They were not that expensive, but I'll leave the link for this from my Amazon so you guys can check it out if you look for that. Then I also got some pillows. These are the hotel type pillows, and these feel so good. That little blue thing there was a dress. I also went over to Target and did a try on. I purchased these pants and I purchased them in a size 8, not a size 16 anymore. An 8, okay? An 8. These fit so good. I love these pants. I need to find a picture so I could pop up here for you guys. I did think I was going to get this one. I might go back because they now have them on sale. So my store, my Target has a lot more of these. This is the pants that have like the boxer top to it. It's a work pants, but I'm 5'3", and some of these just be looking too long for me. Oh, and then here you go. These are the chairs. You get to see how they look on the dining room table. I will be pulling the leaf out and putting it in for Thanksgiving. You're probably going to hear the kitty in the background, but I did say I have an unboxing. Yes, I do. I have an unboxing. So let us get it open. Let us get it open. I got to charge this. I'm going to move y'all back a little. She's yelling. She's in the bathroom. I just want her to stay one place and keep still without her having to be all over the place. And so, it's so sad. Yay, you guys see it. I believe this box has to, no, this is a separate box. Yeah, they're going to send me, but I got it, and I actually got the purple one. This is an iPad mini 7th generation. This is my first iPad mini, and let me show you what this is. My 10th generation iPad, and I traded this one in to get this. So yeah. Yep. So, yeah. This is the last iPad I will have with a button at the bottom. You guys know I already have my iPad Pro 13-inch screen. So now I would still have 2 iPads. I actually have 3. I have the iPad 2, but that wasn't going to be given any kind of money for that. So I just kept that as a souvenir. But yep, this is it. And little lady is doing the most. So let's unbox. here is editing me. I've had this iPad now for about 2 weeks, and I will say that I enjoy it. I like reading on here with my Kindle in color, just to see the covers in color. But I also like the fact that it's small and I can travel with it. I actually went on a work trip with this iPad. So I was happy that I did get a iPad mini. Thankful for that. I love it. I think it's gonna be used more than the other one. So I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.